Introducing the RW5515 magnetic rowing machine. Engineered to redefine your workout experience, break the boundaries, and reach new heights. Experience freedom with our extra long slide rail, designed to accommodate your full stretch and offer fluid, smooth motion. Engage in a full body transformation and target over 80% of your muscle groups. Now, every stroke counts. Enjoy the sound of silence with our ultra-quiet magnetic resistance. Focus on what matters most, your workout. Experience low-impact workouts with high seat clearance, safeguarding your joints and providing a comfortable rowing experience. Your progress all tracked on our digital monitor. Record your speed, time, strokes, and distance. When you're done, just fold it. Easy storage lets you reclaim your space within seconds. The RW5515 magnetic rowing machine. It's more than just a workout. It's a commitment to your best self.